Jamaicans, una still dip on one high after last night performances? We are. And we decided to do a little video about the star boy, star man of last night's Jamaica trials at the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. No, he's just 22 years old. He seems to love Dragon Ball Z, and he is currently the fastest, well, the ninth fastest man in the world. I don't know if that's like a prophecy that he's gonna be the fastest, but we'll see. The ninth fastest man at this time, and currently has the world lead of 9.77. Maybe no. Noah Lyles is shaking his boots. US, we did tell no, so we're ready for Uno. And with national trials so far prove that Jamaica never underestimates the great little but Talawa country. Now let's get into today's videos. Who is Kishane Thompson? And then we're dropping another video before the trials later on, we hope. So we're gonna start to tell you the research we've gathered about Kishane Thompson. Let's get into it. Kishane Thompson was born on July 17, 2001, so he's a Cancer for all you astrology lovers. Now, he is rapidly emerging as a hurricane of a force in the world of sprinting. As a Jamaican track and field athlete specializing in the 100 meters, Kishane has recently grabbed the global spotlight, setting the stage for a thrilling performance at the upcoming Olympic Games in Paris 2024. Now, he blazed through the Jamaican trials, as many of you know, and the 2024 Jamaican National Championships trials were a critical milestone in his career. On June 28, 2024, he stunned the athletics world by winning the men's 100 final with a phenomenal time and world-leading time of 9.77 seconds. This time is the fastest of any man this year and the world's fastest 100-meter time in 2 years, underscoring Thompson's exceptional talent and preparation for the games. He also stated that he could have gone faster, but his coach advised him to just, take the 60 meters and then take it easy from there, as many people witness. So who knows how much faster he can go. Now let's get back to the script. Now you see, if he aimed 9.77 seconds, it placed him among the elite ranks of Jamaican sprinters. He now stands as the fourth fastest Jamaican in history, behind only Usain Bolt, Yohan Blake, and Asafa Powell. Usain having the 9.58, Yohan 9.69, and Asafa 9.72. These legendary figures have set the bar exceptionally high, and Thompson's recent achievements suggest that he is well on his way to joining their ranks. Remember, you hear it here first, alright?
Yeah. Lifestyle.
Let's talk about his rise. Remarkably, Thompson's victory at the Jamaican trials was his first competition of the season. His performances have shown a rapid improvement, shaving off 500ths of a second from his time in the previous day's heats. This 22-year-old's journey has been nothing short of spectacular, considering he last competed in September 2023, where he posted a 9.87 at the Prefontaine Classic in Oregon, USA. Isn't that something? Quite the achievement. Many are thinking that he just come from out of nowhere, but he had quite a year. He was observed to consistently perform in 2023 and having some good times. No, Kishane's path to victory was not without hurdles. After his heats on Thursday night, where he clocked 9.82 seconds, he faced a significant delay due to a drug test impacting his recovery. Despite this, he managed to secure a 9.84-second semi-final run and ultimately a world-leading 9.77 seconds in the final. His coach, the legendary Stephen Francis, instructed him to focus on the first 60 meters of the race and then ease up, emphasizing that Thompson still has much more potential to unleash. Now, as you know, Stephen Frano Francis Thomas Coach is a renowned figure in athletics, having trained numerous Jamaican Olympic champions, including Shelley Fraser and Asafa Powell. Under Francis' expert guidance, Thompson is refining his technique and improving his physical and mental resilience, positioning him well for the Paris 2024 Olympics. Now, Kishane, he performing at the Jamaican National Trials in June 2023 and ran 9.91 seconds for the 100-meter in his qualifying heat. However, he pulled out of the competition prior to the semi-final. This was pre-planned. His coach, Stephen Francis, explained that due to a number of injuries in the previous years, he had a schedule to avoid multiple round running that year. Now, he made his Diamond League debut competing in the 100 meters in Monaco on the 21st of July 2023, running 10.04 to finish fifth. In September 2023, he lowered his 100-meter personal best to 9.85 seconds to finish second at the Diamond League in China. No, he doesn't have that much of a history that we can find online, but his rise has been nothing short of phenomenal and fast, giving many Jamaicans hope. No, beyond the track, Kishane seemed to have a passion that might come to surprise as many or not, because a lot of Jamaicans love anime. He seems to like the anime series Dragon Ball Z that shows themes of perseverance, strength, and overcoming obstacles that might have resonated deeply with Kishane. As you can see, his recent post after winning is this one, right? So, Dragon Ball Z fan for real. Despite his rapid ascent in the world of sprinting, he seems to remain remarkably humble and grounded. Those who know him, well, according to a lot of people who observe his interviews and so forth, they say that he seems quiet, unassuming, focused on his training and performance rather than the limelight. And he even posted that he is never satisfied, which speaks to his huge ambition. Who knows, Kishane might be the next fastest overall. We'll see. Now, Kishane's journey is a testament to his determination and skill. As he continues to hone his abilities and gain experience in high stakes competitions, the athletics world eagerly anticipates what he will achieve next. With his incredible speed, strategic training, and humble demeanor, Kishane is not just a sprinter to watch. He is a future legend in the making, and we're all getting to experience that now. Reflecting on his journey, Kishane remains optimistic about his future, especially with the lessons learned from his first experience running rounds. I didn't know how to conserve, he said. I tried it in the first two rounds, but one, I nearly fell, and two, I just didn't know how to apply myself with that speed because I've never done rounds, he admitted. Looking ahead to the Paris Olympics, Kishane is eager and confident. It really is a great and humble feeling. I saw the 2008 Olympics and it set my standard in this sport. From there, I knew that I wanted it. So it is a really good feeling, he shared. So, world, look out. The 100-meter at Paris Olympics will be great. I mean, we're not just speaking about our Jamaicans, we're speaking about different countries here. Some of the world's best will be in that race. Of course, you have Noah, you have Fred, you have Tobago, and Omalaya. I probably messed up that name, but you know who I'm speaking. All right, so that's it for now. We are so proud and will continue, glowing as Jamaica continues to set the standard, raise the bar, and put doubts to rest. Because you just never know. With a Jamaican, anything is possible. All right, so we hope you enjoyed this one. It's not a lot of information. Hopefully, we can score an interview with Kishane Thompson and learn more about him. But for now, I think he'll be focused on getting ready for Paris Olympics, because that is the competition this year that many will create history. So that's it for now. Look out, subscribe, share, like, and comment as usual. We have more coming your way. And let us know if you enjoyed this one, right? Have a blessed one. Take care of yourself and each other. Until next time. Blessings. Always.